morning, everyone.
Oh, look how cute you are, Bubba. You are the cutest baby I ever did see. Look at your little big tights, your big thighs. Yay. Awa. Look at your big badonkadonk. So, yes, your little big badonkadonk nga. Get it, so yeah.
Just finished washing the car. Look, it's so beautiful.
It actually does look really good. The car was so dirty. We haven't been well. We caught a virus and been really ill. So we haven't been working for the past couple of days.
Hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
Remove. We love you so much.
You're too tall, honey.
I'm taller than everyone.
My
I'm
hair's
taller in the world. I am the tallest in the world.
My hair's so ratchet.
Hi everyone.
I spent so much time making this frame this morning and it's smashed. These are some of the photos from our wedding. Leave, big man. Siaosi, cállate un muti. Cállate un muti, Siaosi. Hey, even there, yeah. Messiah, you want a big smack? Oh, yeah, car. Don't do that.
Stop it.
No, you're being so mean. Hello. Uncle Ossie's going to the gym and I'm going to the mall. And I don't know what I'm gonna do. Probably just shop for a few things for Singapore. Start packing when we get home.
Oh, when do you guys leave?
Next week.
Oh.
Yeah.
When's the first one?
My nose is still a little bit black. So we're in Kmart at the moment. Oh god. As soon as we got here, I'm feeling quite lightheaded. But I bought Siaosi another jumper. Because it's getting cold now. And I know that he'll like this one. Just a plain hoodie. And my mum bought my dad some picking clothes. And him a brand new Huawei phone. Dad, these pants Dad likes because if I eat pa ulalo. Oh, Siaosi would love this as well. I'm pretty sure it's going to be hot in Singapore, so I don't know if he can wear these pants and jumpers that I'm buying him there, but it's going to be very cold soon here, so he would love these jeans.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
it's
a universal one. Just like this.
Oh, it's a universal one.
Yeah.
Will it fit in there?
Oh, we are not sure. Just we need to check. The album. Color keeps anything.
Well, what if you want to have the camera?
Huh?
No, Mum, it's not nice.
Huh?
Oh, hold on. Kailangan med det. Det är inga pipi. Mga iba pa mga oy dad ngam. It's alright, we'll just get one online, Mum. Bye. Siya kan. Oh. Today I did a story time about our wedding day, and it'll be uploaded soon. I hope you guys like it. It was very noisy because I had my nephews over, so just a heads up about that. I'm not sure. Yeah, for you there. Trying to con us into getting more than we want.
2 chops, eh?
Well, it's 2 chops we don't really need. Unless they're coming free.
Nah.
Well.
I've got to do my job, though. Got a barter.
Where were you guys? We were in Kmart. Did you go to where the phones were? Well, there you go. Hello, little cheeky bear. He looks like a Jew. I just ordered myself a Boost, which, if you're not familiar with it, it's like a fruit and veg. Do you guys? Wait, let me show them. Do you guys have this where you live? I believe it's Australian, isn't it? It's a juice bar. That's what it is. And lately I've been feeling very under the weather. So I had one the other day and instantly I felt good. My migraine disappeared after some minutes. But this time I went for the Mango Mirage, which has coconut water and some other goodness in it. I can't remember. Siaosi's actually at the gym. Y'all haven't seen him. He's pumping those weights. Yeah, this is mine. Oh my god, it tastes so weird. I can taste the protein powder. Coconut. Oh, gangster. Gangster, gangster, stoy inda. Oi, sholenga umea fowa. This is so nice.
It's really thin.
Yeah. So good for him, look at it.
Yeah.
The battery's not in it though. The battery's not in it.
What's the battery?
Look, it even comes with the screen protector, Mom.
Really? How much is it? Like 10 bucks for things something that we didn't like. What about these ones? How much are they?
No, you asked him to make it.
And they haven't. Those ones were like 10 bucks from such a small Asian thing, fish, salmon.
I never seen cream cheese in a sushi before. But you guys, nothing.
Yeah, that's nice. I'll have everything. Is that my one that I gave you?
No.
That's the one I gave you.
Molly, you don't need to have any more.
I gave you that one.
No, you gave me this one.
No, I gave you the one that you're eating.
No, this is the one that I got.
Oh, you lie.
I seriously hate paid trolleys. Thank you.
Hi everyone.
Hey guys. You guys haven't seen Siaosi all day.
Yes.
Let me smack his mouth for you. Why?
Because I'm busy. Busy to do some hour at home because I didn't work. That's why just washing the car, clean up the room, and do the small fit out at the back, the house. I'm still sick, but I'm doing a fit out because I'm a big heart.
So I'm just taking out my hair because it's been a long day. And you ladies know what it feels like to just finally take your hair out at the end of a long day. Okay, so I picked comment of the day this time because you got comment of the day last time. I also wanted to let you guys know that sorry if we're not uploading a vlog for the last weekend. We actually had footage for both Saturday and Sunday, and I even got as far as completing the vlog on for both days, and I just didn't feel, because we haven't been well, like I just didn't feel like they were relevant. I could have let you guys be the judge of that, but sorry about that, guys. Okay, so comment of the day I chose from Usomex Martin. Miss you guys, Victoria, you need to do daily vlogs. I was going bananas wondering why y'all haven't uploaded a video yet. LOL. Thank you so much, Usomex Martin. We don't do daily vlogs because we still have full-time jobs. And we do depend on them. Hello.
Hey, I'm just gonna go to my dad's.
Bye.
Yeah. No, arua kama.
Yeah, aluro kama.
No, he wants you.
Oh, okay, hold on. And
he doesn't want you. He's just telling about the game.
Oh, okay.
Like, what's going? Because I gotta go now.
All right, bye now.
No, because you gotta come.
Everyone.
Are you gonna come? Like, are you gonna come to the game?
Yeah, I will.
No, come.
We'll be at your game. Hold on. Just give us a sec. And we don't do daily vlogs because we both have full-time jobs, which we very much depend on at the moment, because this is just like making the cut. We're in superstars. Don't know. Seriously, alright. He wants to show his photo to you guys.
If I can focus it. That's me and my little brother.
Thank you, so my man. What's his name?
Usomex.
Max. We love you so much. Thank you for comments and liking and vlogs, or liking and subscribe our vlogs. Thank you so much.
No,
guys.
honey, it looks retarded.
This one.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
But if you like it, subscribe.
If you like it, subscribe.
And if you like it, subscribe.
If you like it,